Hello lovely people, welcome back to this house of fashion. Hope you have forgot that video. Today's episode is going to be based on how to cut this lovely style you're seeing on the screen. Just a butterfly boubou style, but it's very unique. So I'm combining these two fabrics together, the lace fabric and the Ankara fabric, the way it is on the thumbnail. So the lace is going to be at the upper part and the Ankara is going to be at the down part. So this is the lace. So the measurement of the lace is going to be from the shoulder to the half cut. It's ending at the half cut, but they are going to have the same wideness from the shoulder to the full length. That means the Ankara and the lace are going to be the same wideness. So I'm trying to cut out the excess. So that is why I'm taking the measurement from the shoulder to 16 inches. As you can see, from the shoulder to 16 inches. Then I can now make use of my ruler so that I'll have a straight line here. Then I'm going to connect all the lines together before cutting it out, as you can see. So now I've gotten the half length perfectly, and the half length, don't forget, make sure you're adding a seam allowance to it. But if you are making use of a lace that has edge, so that means you're not going to cut it at the edge, you're going to place the edge on the Ankara the way it is on the thumbnail. You understand what I'm saying? So since I've trimmed out the excess on the lace, then we left with the half cut. So I folded the fabric, the Ankara fabric, into 4 as well, just to complete the length. You can see this is how we're going to place it on top. So assuming you have a lace that have edge, you're not going to cut that down part, just place it on top of that Ankara, then you stitch it. So you can see, so from the shoulder now to the full length of the Ankara is going to give us the full length of the dress. You can see the way I placed it. So I'm trying to determine the full length of the kaftan. So this is about 60 inches. Then I'm still going to add my seam allowance to it, but I will not cut it. And you can also cut it if you want, but I'm not going to cut this Ankara. By the time I sew it finish, that is when I'm going to deduct the excess or fold in the excess. So now I want to take the roundness of the neckline. The wideness here is 3.5 inches and the deepness of the back is 1.5 inches. Then I will now connect them together. Then I can now cut it out. But before that, I'm going to take 1 inch of the shoulder slant. So I can now make use of my ruler to make it slantly to the wideness of the neck. You can see. So after this now, I can now cut it out. So after this now, I can now take away the back. Then I will now load the front neckline a bit so that it will be deeper than the back neckline. In this case, I want to cut out the excess of the Ankara. You know, when I folded the Ankara into 4, it's wider than the lace. You know, I told you I just make use of 1.5 yard of lace, then 3 yards of Ankara fabric. So by the time you fold the Ankara fabric, it will be more wider than the lace fabric, since I'm using 1.5 yard of lace fabric. So I'm cutting out the excess. So the next thing here is to take away the back. Then I want to dip the front neckline with some inches. This is not constant, it depends on how deep you want the necklines to be, but when you check out the style properly, you'll see that it's not too deep. So I just go down with 3 inches to make it 4 inches for the neckline of the front, that deepness of the neckline of the front. So that is that. You can see I've cut it out. So that is the back and that is the front. So the back is going to have a slit, and you can as well add a loop to it. So I'm going to slit it down. Then I slit it down to 4 inches. As you can see, I'll stop, I'll bias the neckline, add my loop, then add my buttons to it. So to join this now, just make sure you place your lace on the ankara, join them, then you join the shoulders. After when you join the shoulder, you bias the neckline, you put your loop, then you insert your button. Then you know it's a butterfly, we just take the measurement of the bust, then you add some allowance to it. Then you stitch it down. But if you want it fitted, then you start taking the bust measurement, the waist measurement at where it's supposed to be, and the hip measurements. If you're watching for the first time, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorials. And for those people that have already subscribed, I really appreciate you guys for watching my video. Always see you in my next tutorial. Bye.